Good evening. Thank you for watching my continuously videos. In this video I have made the simple solution how to integrate HL7 with the pack modality and the packs and everything. So first of all I will show you the dcm4chee packs latest version, which is already built in with the HL7 application. This is my dcm4chee packs. Click on the configuration. This is the HL7 application. This is the application I have customly set up for receiving patient information data into the modality work list, and that will be automatically shown to the modality. So let's check what I have developed. So for the easily communication, I have developed one web page with the Python, and that page can be integrated with the Radiology information system and any other application. Either you can use independently that page to receive the data and the modality work list of this page. So let me show you the modality work list page, MWL here, and if we see the any kind of study in it, let me check submit. It should be show 0 study because I haven't sent. Okay, this is one study I have sent it. Let me delete this one. Okay, so it's sorted, gone. Okay, I have developed this one simple page with the with the Python script. This page can be integrated with the Radiology information system and many other things. Let me show you how to send the data into the packs, and it will be showed into the system of the packs and the modality. Okay, so let's start. First we type simple MR number and just like 453, whatever it is. The name is supposed to be Imtiaz Ali. This is the year, date of birth, year, month and date. So first year 1992 and 03 month, and the date should be 12. Okay, so you just put the one letter in it, either female F and male. For male put male. And this is the accession number, which will be very helpful to get unique ID and open into the Radiology information system to your study. So I put the accession number, and then you can type the modality code and the modality description. Let it go. I have leave it default, and the schedule time same 2025, and the month is 06. Today is the 27th June, and let me show you the time also. You see, 27 Friday June, 7:15 p.m. is the current time. So 06, I will show you it at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So we will write into the 22, and the minutes will be 50, 10:50 p.m. Although in which modality this data will be shown, so we need to select the modality, because the data can be seen into the modality with cFind. So when technology cFind made query in the CT scan, it will be show the all data into the CT scan. So whatever we are sending, go to the CT, and doctor ID, whatever you put it, doctor ID, doctor name is Rehan, and let it go. So with single click, send to packs HL7. Imtiaz Ali, all the information is correct. Send to packs. Okay, you guys can see the message is sent successfully. This the double A message means it's successfully sent to the dcm4chee. Let's check it's show in the dcm4chee or not. Okay, let me reload this page, modality work list. Okay, you can see we are in the modality work list page here. Okay, see the work list and click on the submit. Ali Imtiaz, you can see this is received easily, and it will be show to the CT scan, which is connected with the packs. Modality is the CT. So let me show you the other information related to this also, which I have set up and created. This is the ISO standard accession number we have put in it, Institution name, just simply I have typed the hospital in the backend. This is the Ali Imtiaz name, patient ID, hospital, Mr. Patient type Mr. or Miss. It's the Miss male, so it is the Miss MR, and if the female, then it is Miss. And this is the patient date of birth, patient sex male. This is the unique this unique identification ID. UID is assist and help you how to open the study through radiology information system if you guys are using. So many other things you can see. This is the city. This modality is the city. So this study will be showed in the city modality, not any other. If you have the the X-ray, ultrasound, and MR, it will be not shown. It only shown in the CT scan. Schedule station. This is the preparation start time, pin, CT health. We have type into the description. Rescheduled, and the file order number, and this is automatically generated. So you can see it's successfully here, and you can also send multiple patients in it through this simple order page. So this is the order page I have developed for you guys, and you can use it for many other purpose. And if you want to contact me, and the Fiverr link is in my description, you will integrate and manage this, create and send HL7 order page through your radiology information system also. So thank you. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Take care, and bye bye.